In this video we'll highlight our favorites product. We will show you the specifications and benefits of the product. First, let's see the specs of the product.
This video will describe how to prepare your ProTemp kerosene radiant heater for the off-season. Please read and understand the user's manual and all warnings prior to operating your heater or performing any maintenance tasks. Use only original equipment parts. The use of alternate or third-party components can cause unsafe operating conditions and will void your warranty. The end of the heating season is an ideal time to inspect and clean your heater. Before you put your heater away, be sure to flush the fuel tank. Never leave fuel in the tank over the summer months. Do not flush with water. Use only fresh K1 kerosene. Always store the heater in a dry, well-ventilated area. The nozzle should be cleaned at least once per heating season. At the end of each season, remove the nozzle and blow compressed air through the nozzle to clean out any impurities. The photocell should be cleaned using a cotton swab dipped in alcohol or water at least once per heating season, or more depending on conditions. The fuel filter should be checked at least twice per heating season and replaced every 200 hours of operation. Contaminated fuel could cause the fuel filter to be replaced more often. Now your heater is ready for the next heating season. Please reread your manual before operating and make sure you have done all the necessary checkups. Thanks for choosing ProTemp. Check us out at protemp.us.
Why we like this product. And these are rating for this product.